Hello, I am Rachel of Dumaguete.com. In this video, you will learn how easy it is to get a Landbank housing loan in 4 simple steps. Are you considering the Landbank of the Philippines housing loan offers? Discover a hassle-free application process with our step-by-step guide tailored for both employed and self-employed individuals. If you're looking for affordable ways to acquire residential properties, Landbank's Easy Housing Loan is designed to assist Filipinos in achieving their homeownership dreams. This government bank provides various loan options, including financing for vacant lots, residential units, home construction, and even refinancing existing housing loans from other lenders. Eligibility criteria. To kickstart your application, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. Filipino citizenship. Age between 21 and not exceeding 65 upon loan maturity. Gainfully employed or engaged in a lawful and profitable business. Landbank housing loan application process. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility. Before diving into the application, verify that you meet the eligibility criteria outlined above. Step 2. Document preparation. Gather the necessary documents based on your employment status and property type. Whether you are locally employed or self-employed, and whether the property is a condominium unit or not, Landbank has specific document requirements for a smooth application process. Step 3. Submission of required documents. Visit the nearest Landbank branch in your area or head to the service lending center of the government bank in your region. Submit the required documents for evaluation. Step 4. Await the result. Now, the anticipation begins. Sit back and relax as you await updates from Landbank or the service lending center regarding the status of your Landbank housing loan application. While it may take several days to a few weeks for the result, rest assured that their team is working diligently to provide you with the best outcome. Embark on your journey to homeownership with Landbank's Easy Housing Loan. The straightforward application process is designed to make your experience seamless and stress-free. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to the dedicated team at any Landbank branch or service lending center. We look forward to helping you achieve your dream home. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. I am Rachel for Dumaguete.com. See you in the next video.